Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Xiaomi needs to be credited for initiating the whole bezel-less design trend in the market with Mi Mix back in 2016. Several manufacturers, including the premium brands such as Apple and Samsung, followed the suit with their flagship adorning narrow bezel-less display to offer more screen in compact bodies. However, we have seen other Chinese players like Oppo and Vivo leap into the limelight with two recent smartphone launches, the Oppo Find X and Vivo Nexus, that takes this bezel-less display concept to a whole new level. Now it's time for Xiaomi to showcase its next-gen true bezel-less smartphone, the Mi Mix 3. Slash Leaks has gathered some leaked renders of what appears to be Mi Mix 3. The photos reveal parts of the phone that will be the highlights of the next-generation Mi Mix device, first of which is a completely bezel-free design. The current generation Mi Mix 2S sport a chin at the bottom to house the front camera. With Mi Mix 3, Xiaomi removed the chin entirely and embedded an in-display fingerprint sensor. Mi Mix 3 will sport a 6.4-inch true bezel-less display, and the good news is there will be no notch. We also have a full leaked image here, and you can see the device's uniform ultra-slim bezels at the top and bottom. So you may wonder, where is the front camera on Mi Mix 3? Xiaomi will imitate the sliding camera concept from Vivo Nexus, putting it on a motorized mount on the top of the device. The sliding camera housing is pretty small and can hold only the front camera, which indicates that 3D facial recognition from Mi 8 Explorer Edition might not make an appearance in Mi Mix 3. Do you guys prefer the sliding front camera mechanism? Share your thoughts on the poll or in the comment section. The rear houses a dual 12 megapixel camera setup similar to Mi Mix 2S. The other specs of Mi Mix 3 will be of flagship standard. The device will be powered by a top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 processor with 6 or 8GB RAM and will have 64, 128 and 256GB storage option. There will be no support for expandable storage, and sadly Mi Mix 3 will not have a headphone jack. Xiaomi is likely to be working on a dedicated wireless charger for Mi Mix 3 and other compatible devices. Here is a leaked image of Mi wireless charger. The Mi Mix 3 along with Mi wireless charger is expected to launch around September of this year. So that's it for this video. Subscribe and stay tuned to Smartphone World to get all the smartphone updates. So what do you guys think of Mi Mix 3 renders? Share your thoughts on the comment section. Show us some love by hitting the thumbs up button. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a great day.